C'est en été. It is in the summer. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see how c'est is used in French. So let's start. C'est means it is. Its plural is ce sont. C'est is used to identify a person, a thing, or a location. In negative sentences, c'est becomes ce n'est pas and ce sont becomes ce ne sont pas. And of course, other negative words than pas can be used like plus, que, jamais, or rien. In the spoken language, in informal situations, it is common to hear people use c'est instead of ce sont, even if it is not grammatically correct. When c'est is followed by a word starting with a vowel or an H, we use a t link. For example, c'est au parc or c'est en France. C'est can be followed by many things. It can be followed by an article and a noun. C'est un chien. Here we are simply identifying what animal it is. And remember, we can also use a profession, a religion, or a nationality after the article. C'est un Italien. It's an Italian person. C'est l'avocat. It's the lawyer. C'est can be followed by a possessive adjective and a noun. A possessive adjective in English is my, your, his, her, our, your, and their. In French, to say my, remember to use mon for masculine, ma for feminine, and mes for plural nouns. C'est mon frère. It's my brother. Here we are identifying who this person is. C'est can be followed by a proper noun. If you do not know what a proper noun is, it is someone's name or the name of a brand, for example. C'est Marc. It's Mark. And here again we are identifying who this person is. C'est can be followed by a preposition and a date. And here, when I say a date, this covers seasons, days, dates, years, or months. C'est en été. It is in the summer. C'est lundi. It's Monday. C'est en mars. It's in March. Here we are identifying when an event is happening or what day, season, month, or year we are in. And remember that we don't use prepositions in front of days. This is why I said c'est lundi. C'est can be followed by an adjective used to describe a situation or an ensemble. So, a non-specific referent, something intangible. C'est bien, it's great. C'est bon, it's good. Here we are not referring to anything in particular. We can imagine being at the restaurant and saying c'est bon, to say that the food in your plate is good. So the ensemble, not just the vegetable or the sauce, for example. C'est can be followed by a color, as colors are adjectives, as long as we are not describing something specifically. C'est rouge et vert. It's red and green. C'est can be followed by a disjunctive pronoun. A disjunctive pronoun in English is me, you, him, her, us, you, and them. We will study them in full later on, but let's just see what they are in French for the purpose of this lesson. Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, il, masculine for them, and elle, feminine for them. C'est moi. It's me. Here we are identifying who the person is. C'est can be followed by a preposition and a noun indicating a location. C'est en Italie. It's in Italy. C'est à Paris. It's in Paris. We could imagine here talking about a monument like the Eiffel Tower or the Colosseum, and identifying that they are respectively found in Paris and in Italy. C'est can be followed by an adverb of places. Remember, when we studied the rules for il est, we saw three adverbs of places. Ici, here, là, there, and là-bas, over there. C'est là, it's there. Here we could imagine being at the restaurant and asking where the bathroom is. Rooms are locations too. C'est can also be followed by a question word. We will see question words later on, but for the purpose of this lesson, let's learn 3. Où, where, quand, when, and quoi, what. C'est où, where is it? C'est quand, when is it? C'est quoi, what is it? Note that in the spoken language, in informal situation, you will find the question word followed by c'est. Où c'est or quand c'est. But this structure doesn't work with every question word. For example, we can't say quoi c'est. That's it for the rules about c'est. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!